Earth, let's talk about portfolios for a second, because I don't think people know really what to do with portfolios for retouching, and what they need to show, and how like portfolios work these days. So talk about what you look for.
Portfolios are a little bit different for retouching. With retouching, it's all about the details. It's all about the process. It's all about the workflows. And what I'd like to see is full res images.
Yeah.
Full of details. I want to see before and after. I'd love to see layers. I would love to see someone's working file, but we have a lot of kind of things that we like to protect sometimes in our working files. But just even seeing a screenshot,
their layers panel, like opening up their layer groups and showing what's inside, and just taking a screen grab.
Yeah, I mean, could you imagine just like a simple PSD shows me before and afters and some screen grabs? Maybe even a directory structure from the Finder showing how you organize your jobs, because retouching is more than just a pretty finished image. Like, how did you get there? That's what's important to me. You've been responsible for hiring people at some of your past jobs. What were you looking for in their portfolios?
When I first started hiring people, I actually didn't know the answer to that question, really. I thought that I could tell a lot just from a single image, and found you can't just look at one image and because somebody can totally kind of fake it. Like, have an image that I look at and I go, oh, that looks like they probably composited like all this stuff, and you find out later they're like, no, I didn't do any compositing in that. I just did a little cleanup and changed the colors. And you're like, oh, you don't even know how to clip or mask, and that's what I need you for. So this gets back to communication, right? Because what are you communicating in a portfolio as a designer? Like, totally different things. Like, it's the harmony of the image and the elements, as well as, a photographer, kind of the same things. Like, I know how to light, I know how to create drama or space, whatever. But for a retoucher, you're trying to communicate that you understand how to construct an image in Photoshop, but for a commercial studio environment, which is very particular. So if I can see what you did in the image before and afters, that gives me a lot of information that I really need to see. I can't hire someone unless I can see what they did to the image, and even a little bit extra, showing me like a screen grab of their actual layers. That's the portfolio that I would love to see.